University Grants Commission. Net syllabus. Paper 1. Subject: Journal paper on teaching and research aptitude. Paper 1. The main objective is to assess the teaching and research capabilities of the candidates. The test aims at assessing the teaching and research aptitude as well. Candidates are expected to possess and exhibit cognitive abilities which include comprehension, analysis, evaluation, understanding the structure of arguments, deductive and inductive reasoning. The candidates are also expected to have a journal. Journal awareness about teaching and learning processes in higher education system. Further, they should be aware of interaction between people, environment, natural resources, and their impact on quality of life. The details of syllabi are as follows. Unit 1. Teaching aptitude. Teaching concept, objectives, levels of teaching, memory, understanding and reflective, characteristics and basic requirements, learners' characteristics, characteristics of adolescent and adult learners, academic, social, emotional and cognitive, individual differences, factors affecting teaching related to teacher, learner, support material, instructional facilities, learning environment and institution. Methods of teaching in institutions of higher learning: teacher-centered versus learner-centered methods, offline versus online methods, Swayam, Prava, MOOCs, etc. Teaching support system: traditional, modern, ICT based. Evaluation systems, elements and types of evaluation: evaluation in choice-based credit system in higher education, computer-based testing, innovations in evaluation systems. Unit 2. Unit 2. Research aptitude. Research meaning, types and characteristics, positivism and post-positivistic approach to research, methods of research: experimental, descriptive, historical, qualitative and quantitative methods, steps of research: thesis and article writing, format and styles of referencing, application of ICT in research, research ethics. Unit 3. Comprehension. A passage of text be given, questions be asked from the passage to be answered. Unit 4. Communication. Communication meaning, types and characteristics of communication, effective communication, verbal and non-verbal, intercultural and group communications, classroom communication, barriers to effective communication, mass media and society. Unit 5. Mathematical reasoning and aptitude. Types of reasoning: number series, letter series, codes and relationships, mathematical aptitude, fraction, time and distance, ratio, proportion and percentage, profit and loss, interest and discounting, averages, etc. Unit 6. Logical reasoning. Unit 6. Logical reasoning. Understanding the structure of arguments. Argument forms a structure of categorical propositions, mood and figure, formal and informal fallacies, uses of language, connotations and dictations of terms, classical square of opposition, evaluating and distinguishing, deductive and inductive reasoning, analogies, Venn diagram, simple and multiple use for establishing validity of arguments, Indian logic, means of knowledge, pramanas, pratyaksha, perception, anumana, interference, apamana, comparison, sabda, verbal testimony, arthapati, implication and anupavadhi, non-apprehension, structure and kinds of anumana, inference. way of the invariable relation, Habermas's fallacies of interference. Unit number 7, data interpretation. Unit number 7, data interpretation. Source is acquisition and classification of data, qualitative and qualitative data, graphical representation, bar chart, histograms, pie chart, table chart and line chart, and mapping of data, data interpretation, data and governance. Unit 8, information and communication technology. Unit 8, information and communication technology, ICT. ICT, general abbreviations and terminology, basics of internet, email, audio and video conferencing, digital initiatives in higher education, ICT and governance. Unit 9, people development and environment. Unit 9, people development and environment. Development and environment, millennium development and sustainable development goals, human and environment interaction, anthropogenic activities and their impacts on environment. Environmental issues, local, regional and global pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, waste, solid, liquid, biomedical, hazardous, electronic, climate change and its socio-economic and political dimensions, impacts of pollutants on human health, natural and energy resources, solar, wind, soil, hydro, geothermal, biomass, nuclear and forest, natural hazards and disasters, mitigation strategies. Next, Environmental Protection Act 1986, National Action Plan on Climate Change, International Agreements, Efforts, Montreal Protocol, Rio Summit, Convention on Biodiversity, Kyoto Protocol, Paris Agreement, International Solar Alliance. Unit 10, Higher Education System. Unit 10, Higher Education System. Institutions of higher learning and education in ancient India, evaluation of higher learning and research in post-independence India, Oriental conventional, non-conventional learning programs in India, professional, technical and skill-based education, value education and environmental education, policies, governance and administration. Note: 5 questions each carrying 2 marks are to be set from each module.